dog cornbread casserole. We're gonna put a can of baked beans on the bottom here. 16-ounce can of bush beans. Get it smooth over the bottom. All right, once we got that nice and smooth over the bottom, we're gonna go over to our mixing bowl. We're gonna throw in 1 package of cornbread mix, a 1/3 cup of milk, 1 egg, we're gonna throw in 1/2 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Get your cheese in there, and then finally, you're gonna just throw in about a teaspoon of mustard in there. About a teaspoon of mustard. I'm gonna do a little bit more. There we go. Get that all mixed in together. Once you got that nice and mixed together, we are now going to fold in our hot dogs that we've sliced up. That's 8 ballpark beef franks that I have sliced into nice little coins. And just get the batter all mixed in and folded in with your hot dogs. All right, we got our wieners and our cornbread batter nice and mixed in together. So now we're gonna put our wiener batter over the beans. How am I doing, y'all? What's my scrape score? Give me your scrape score in the comment. All right, get that nice, smooth over the top of those beans as best you can. All right, once we got our batter nice and smooth over the top, we've got the oven preheated to 375. We're gonna throw it in there for 25 to 30 minutes, and this should be ready. Let's check on this thing. Oh man, it smells good. Y'all, this is gonna be a hit. I can tell you right now.
Wow.
Man, it really smells awesome. Got that perfect golden brown on top. All those hot dogs laden in there. Ooh, baby. All right, y'all. So yeah. All right, y'all. So we're gonna let this sit for like 5 minutes and come back and try it. Alrighty, let's give this thing a try. Ooh, baby. Cuts right through. Yum, look at that. I feel like I'm at the county fair. All right, y'all, moment of truth. Gotta make sure you get that hot dog in there. Get all the stuff. Hope I got some cheese in this bite too. There we go. That's good, y'all. If you're looking for like a fun little easy American dish to make, you know, we got the 4th coming up, or just something fun for the kids to try. Or if you're in a fun mood, try this. Super easy, super good.